Hello, I'm just gonna show off ice cream sandwich for the HTC Desire HD or Inspire 4G in the US, also codenamed HTC Ace. This is the standard lock screen. As you can see, this is CyanogenMod Mod 9, so it lets you put some extra stuff here like calendar events, battery level, weather, and yeah. You have this little ring here that you can put like to open the screen, or you can put camera, or you can put another option here. God damn it. The camera does work. It can be a little sketchy, and camcorder does not work, but as you can see, the camera works. As I said, camcorder does not work, and the panorama option works, but the preview is really laggy, and I won't recommend trying it. If you have no other option, then sure, but there are apps that does it much better for a low-end device. This is the standard home screen. This does not use the default ICS launcher. This is TreeBucket, which is based on it, and it's made by the CM team. It looks pretty much like it just has some extra features. Very nice animations. You have the standard layout. You have, of course, Chrome Beta for Android. And you have the nice new notifications layout with the Google Music downloading here, and you have, of course, the toggles. I at least can't live without the toggles. And if you look at this little icon next to the date here, you can actually press it to show and hide the toggles, even though you can turn them off permanently in the settings. The menu brings up the new type of menu here. We can set wallpaper. You can go directly to the apps manager, where we have a cool new setting. You can disable apps, even system apps, which is very nice to get rid of bloat, because this ROM does have some bloat that can be a bit annoying. You have TreeBucket settings. There's a lot of placeholders here, because it's unfinished, it's alpha, but you can play with effects, indicators. You can decide how many home screens you want, what uses your default, how much space for apps, if you want that search bar. This is a cool feature, resize any widgets. So even like gingerbread and below widgets, you can like force them to be resized. You can turn off the scroll wallpaper, so you can have static wallpaper. I like that because I don't think moving wallpaper works well with normal images. You can loop desktop pages, so like if you have 3 pages and you swipe past 3, you get back to 1. And yeah, you press the circle in the middle to get your apps, and as you can see, it can lag once in a while, but you'll never really notice it, and it's very rarely. It has iPhone style app switching. I know iPhone didn't invent it, but yeah. And once you go past your apps here, you end up in the widgets. And if you want a widget, you can just press it and place. I only have one home screen, so I can't show you, but yeah. Another cool thing is if you have an app here, like let's say Photoshop, you can hold it on top of another one, and we have a folder. I don't want that. And yeah, that's ICS for the Desire HD. Like I said, it works mostly well. It's good enough to use for your everyday. If you love your camcorder, you should probably wait until they get that fixed. but I'll provide some links in the description on how to get this running. And yeah, one thing to note, if you use Google Music and you update to ICS, it will just erase your cache and you'll have to re-download your music if you have some offline music pinned, like you see I'm doing here. So that's just a thing to note. It kinda bumped me. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and have fun.